SMF Street Traders, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the closing indexes on 9/22 of 2010. The time is 1:43 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We have 3 weekly charts, SMF Street Traders, and basically what we've done is we're going to take a look up here. That's that S&P 500, and we're right here at that resistance. If we break through it, we can go up here and test half of that weekly bar. First, though, we're going to have to clear that. The part that we like about it is that we had a 4-week rally with a 3-week pullback and a 3-week breakout that took out these trend lines right there on the S&P. But it's having a problem right up here, and that 1150 is the key. We got to break through it to get to 1175. And so forth, and work our way on up to that 1190 by 1198 and 1201 handle on the S&P for the breakout side. So we're going to monitor it. As far as the closing bell goes on the Dow Jones, it's got a nice breakout. You can tell where you had a right side weekly breakout. There's that 3-week pullback in August. There's that 3-week breakout of taking out this top. So basically, we failed at that top once, twice with the sell, broke back below half of that weekly bar. Look at that. That meant that was on, but we got made right here. Just the opposite, half week bar above it. That's where the buying comes in. That's where we've come up. We've taken that out, but we need a closing week above half of that bar. Ultimately, if we break through, just like anything else, it'll be half of that multi-year high that we had in 2010 where we had the longer reversal. So basically, that's what 2010 looks like. On this chart down here, what this is, MMTs, it's the Nasdaq Composite. Basically, the Nasdaq Composite, which has performed really well in the tech sector. We had these gap ups. We took out these half bar breakouts here. The nice thing about this chart is we have come to this major hurdle of resistance of 2371.20. And it might be a little bit different. We'll use our own charting platform. This is a standard app. We have our own at SMF. We have our own direct access app for pricing. However, we came right up there and we pulled back. Now, this trend line down here, SMF Street Traders, is half of that bar. Naturally, that would be a support level or a pullback. However, what we have seen in today's trading action is in the pre-market section of the website, we said what the trades would do. Lots of trades were breaking down to the left side of the market, meaning that bars, intraday bars, were going down and down. This is weekly. I'm just giving you a reference. Once again, I did the technicals. We're going to be watching to see what happens on all key areas right here. And here are all 3 of the indexes and the closing bell. U.S. equity markets closing at bullish 4-week breakout patterns on all indexes, and we're having a little bit of resistance, and we're going to see if they can work through it. They worked through this one here. They worked through this one here. They shot right through there and made that high right into half of that bar there. So anyway, enjoy this one. We'll start looking at trade management on long and short side.